Machaca is amazing. It's delicious. Burritos are amazing, delicious. Breakfast burritos are a thing. Breakfast machaca burritos? Oh, yeah. I did that. Let's make our machaca. We've got our roasted poblano peppers, our bell peppers, our onions in here. We've got some carnitas. Typically this is beef, but I have carnitas, so I'm using it. Now I've got some roasted poblano salsa that I made in here. I'll have a video on that shortly. We're going to add a little bit of that. We're going to melt some butter in the pan, get that going. Now we're going to put 3 eggs, a little bit of milk, some salt and pepper in the pan here and cook this all together. We've got all the meat pushed to the back so that we can scramble the eggs a little bit better. On their own. If you don't do that, this becomes a real mess. So at least cook them about halfway like this. We're just going to keep pushing it in and folding it out and getting it running and getting it going. When it starts to come together like this, it's a perfect time. We can start incorporating this with the meat. This is going to give us that beautiful flavor all the way throughout, and season the eggs, season the meat, everything's perfect, and this is how you make really, really yummy machaca burritos. When this is looking pretty good and the eggs don't look any runny anymore, we're going to add a little bit of cheese to this. I have some jack cheese going down here first, just a little bit at this point, not a ton. Now we can turn the heat off completely, and we're going to add a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese to this, and this is basically it. We have assembled our machaca, and it's ready to make a really yummy burrito. All right, so that is super easy. The tortilla is nice and warm and pliable. Kept it warm under the lid right there, so it's just heated up in a large 12-inch skillet. To this, we are going to add a little cheese. I know, machaca and cheese, not really a thing, but it's a breakfast burrito. There, I always grate my cheese on wax paper because then you can do that, and it's really satisfying. So, I suggest it. All right, we have our machaca, which is going to go down here. Oh my goodness! First, you know what? Because you eat it upside down. Yeah, I'm going to do it this way first because I always put the sauce on it, but then that's the bottom side as you roll the thing into it sometimes. So this is this side. So we are going to put on this. This is some Guillermo's taco sauce. If you speak Spanish and you know who I am, you'll get the joke. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. That's art. Yep. All right. This is just some Mexican crema right here. Oh my God. You cannot believe how yummy that is. Okay. So we're going to put this down now. Oh yeah. We're putting it all down. The 3 eggs, the machaca, the cheese, all of it is going in here because I haven't learned any lessons. I'm sorry I'm doing this away from you so you can't see this because my arms don't fold the other way. I can't use them backwards. I was born with forward arms. For only $19 a month, you can help a poor white boy with forward arms. No. But anyways, that's a burrito. You know what it needs? A little more of that. Smidge more of that. It's almost a shame to wrap it up. It's so beautiful. But we're going to, because it's a burrito. Otherwise it'd just be a unfried tostada, wouldn't it? Okay, we're going to roll this, and for the first time in my entire life, I did not overstuff a burrito. There you go. Machaca burrito, a la Bill. It's beautiful. But what does it need? Oh, that's right. It needs to be grilled. And we're going to do this in a dry frying pan. We're not going to do this in any oil because if we did that, it'd turn into a chimichanga, and we're not making a chimichanga. We're making a burrito, a grilled burrito. So let's go to the pan and heat this up. All grilled up. Always start with the seam side down, by the way, because it helps keep it from unfolding later. Just a tip, in case you didn't know. We got to cut this thing because I got to eat it. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, it's a little cheesy. Uh-huh. Okay, well, look at that. Look at that thing of beauty. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Isn't she lovely? Oh, yeah. And I get to eat that. But I'm going to take the thumbnails real fast so that I have something to put up for the thing. So hold on 1 second, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to take a bite of this thing. So give me a second. All right, folks, I'm back. Oh, And now, as you can see through the thumbnails, when you clicked on the video, damn. So I can take a bite of this and find out just how damn this thing is. So here we go. Okay, so the machaca is super awesome. It's delicious because it's machaca. Come on, how do you go wrong with meat, peppers, and onions and things like that? The roasted poblano salsa you saw me put in there. Oh my God, it's so good. It's flavor on flavor. It's incredible. And the Guillermo's taco sauce, which I will be doing a video on here pretty soon. I mean, I've been working on that for a while, so it's pretty awesome. You're gonna love it. I keep saying awesome a lot, but it is. It's delicious. And the cheese, don't be afraid of the cheese. Cheese is so good. So you gotta make this because it's, what is it? Oh, that's right. It's awesome. Yes, it is. And if you make one, leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of it and what you do different or what you'd like about this. I'd love to hear it because I love comments. And I usually try to feedback with you guys and answer your comments and different things and respond to that stuff. So if you leave me a comment, I will do my best to respond. Unless you leave me a weird comment like, I love big black hunks. Or chunks, or whatever that one was. I don't know how to respond to that one. Nope. That was on a different thing, you know. No idea what that was. But if you leave me that comment again, I'm not going to reply, except for a ha-ha because I get the joke. But I'm probably going to edit all this out because why am I talking about that? It's weird. Okay, so there's your burrito. Enjoy, and have a great day. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.